energy of breath should neither move out nor enter. When the center unfolds by the dissolution of thoughts, be unclutched, then one attains the nature of Bhairava. Then one attains the Shiva consciousness. You don't even need to practice this technique. All you need to do is just be aware of this technique. There are some techniques which you need to learn and practice, experience. There are some techniques, the very understanding takes you to that level, takes you to that depth. Suddenly you see you are experiencing it. In Vedanta, 3 levels. The first, Shravana, means understanding the technique, listening about it. Manana, meditating on it, contemplating, practicing it. Nididhyasana, expressing the truth, expressing it. You need 3 steps. Understanding, practicing, and expressing. Here, with this technique, you don't need the 3 steps. The very understanding simply liberates you, because he is taking us to such a deep level, to the depth of your being. He is showing us to the core. He is taking us to a different space, which I call Zen zone. Zen zone means the zone in which already you are liberated. The zone in which you are unclutched. The zone in which you exist as you are. He is taking us to the zone beautifully without any practice. As far as this technique concerned, the very understanding is enough. You will suddenly wake up. Yes, I am in that state. Nothing else needs to be done. He is taking us to that zone. The energy of breath should neither move out nor enter. Yesterday I was speaking, I was explaining. To be relaxed or to feel comfortable in the neutral space, we feel comfortable with the incoming breath or outgoing breath, but we don't feel comfortable with the neutral space. That is why you just jump the neutral space. You don't give your attention to neutral space. Whenever the neutral space comes, you say quit and you jump. Whenever the neutral space comes, you do fast forwarding. You just fast forward it. Continuously you are fast forwarding the neutral space. When you sit and watch a movie, if you don't like some scenes, you fast forward it. You just jump. Same way, whenever the neutral space comes, you jump, you fast forward. Yesterday I was asking you to feel little comfortable with the neutral space, in the neutral zone. Now he is taking us to a different depth. He says, you don't even have to feel comfortable with the neutral zone. Just understand you have a neutral zone. Be relaxed. Whether you want or not, you are going to have neutral zone. Even if you do fast forwarding, even if you fast forward, the neutral zone is your nature. Every moment, the neutral zone is going to happen in you. That space is happening in you. The neutral space is constantly happening in you. Even if you avoid, the neutral space is happening in you. He says the energy of breath should neither move out nor enter. When the center unfolds by the dissolution of thoughts, be unclutched